This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Alex Nicodemi. Welcome to our beautiful home in Cross Creek Estates. Great property in a great community. New roof in 2023, pest-resistant insulation installed in 2022, new impact-resistant windows installed in 2022, new energy-efficient fans and lighting installed in 2022, all solid surface flooring throughout, new well pump in 2021, and new water heater in 2022. Freshly painted outside, our home is a standout in curb appeal in this neighborhood. The Estates is very centrally located, close to Gulf Coast Hospital, I-75, and 15 minutes to the airport. 5-minute drive to Costco, Publix, Whole Foods, and Fresh Market. This is truly a great location. Cross Creek Estates offer one of the best recreation facility in all of Fort Myers. Spacious clubhouse that offers meeting space, racquetball, and fun seasonal events. Large community heated pool, tennis, pickleball, doggy park, playground and just some enjoyable green space to relax with your favorite book. Do not miss out on this spectacular property. Price, value is second to none. Feel free to contact listing agent if you have any questions about this property or the beautiful Cross Creek Estates community. For more information, review the details below or contact Alex Nicodemi at 239-810-2310.